Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge shape with image in publisher document. So let's start it. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show merge shape with image. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a picture option. Now find your picture. Now select from your picture. Now you click for insert option. That is. Then you show insert picture. This picture is the resize and shape. Now going to the again insert menu option. Then click for a shape option. Now click for a rectangle shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the shape fill option. Now I'll choose color. Now click for a shape outline. Then click for no outline. This shape is the mob. Now going to the align option and now click for a group option. That's it. Then move your any place shape and image. That's it. Then we show merge shape with image in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.